Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olama, and if it's your first time watching me, welcome once again. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I dyed and customized this hair that I got from KRN official store on AliExpress, and it's a lace front, kinky curly lace front wig. And I'm just going to be showing you guys how I customized and dyed it. So if you want to watch this video, please keep watching, and let's get right into the video. So first I'm going to be using this color charm bleach and this Salon Care 40 volume developer, and I'm going to be mixing them together to achieve an even mixture. So the rest is self-explanatory, just watch as I keep mixing it. Using my concealer brush, I'm going to be applying the bleach all over the lace. I'm using my concealer brush because I don't have the dye brush, so I'm improvising with the concealer brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna keep applying that on the lace, making sure it doesn't get to the actual hair. Yeah, so after that I'm going to be leaving this. I left it actually for about 10 minutes. Then I'm washing it out with this Garnier Fructis shampoo, and yeah, making sure that I focus more on the lace itself because that's where I just bleached. Then again, I'm going to be using my Garnier Fructis conditioner, and I'll be applying it all over the hair, and I'll leave it for about 10 minutes so the conditioner can soak into the hair and is soft. Like, you have to treat this hair like it's your natural hair. So I'm gonna condition it for about 10 minutes and then we'll get back to it.
Work so hard for good health to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication.
Then I'll wash it out and dry with a clean towel. I'm going to be using this coconut oil leave-in conditioner, and I'll be spraying it all over the hair to give it a little bit of more condition. And I'll be using this Cantu leave-in conditioner as well, just because I cannot get over applying things on this hair. I think I'm just doing too much, but you don't have to use all these products if you don't want to. So I'll be applying it all over the hair. Then I'll use my tweezers to pluck this hair. As you can see guys, it's my first time plucking a lace front hair, so at first I was pretty slow and, would I say, focused, because I didn't want to pluck the whole hair out. So I'll suggest that if you're new, just do it just the way I'm doing it, as slow as you possibly can, or just to make sure that you don't pluck everything out.
If somehow you knew that your love would be untrue, would you lie to me?
Until I got to my desired hairline, I guess I should say that, just the way I want it to be. So that's the word. Yeah, I just kept on doing it till I liked the way it looked.
Creeps inside my heart with everything you do. I have no choice. Loving you is all that I know how to do. I know I get why.
So I'm going to be using my wide tooth comb to comb out the excesses from the ones I plucked. So as you can see, this is what I plucked out over.
If I didn't a right blade on curb, would you still love me? If I minimize my net worth, would you still love me? Keep it 100, I bet you.
Then I was cutting the wig and my phone began to mess up because I filmed with my phone. I thought I was recording it, but then I didn't know that it had stopped because my phone memory was full. So I didn't get that part where I cut out the lace, but I got the part where I was cutting out the, what's it called, the baby hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut out the baby hair and apply some Got2b just to hold it down, hold the baby hair down, you know, so it doesn't mix with the other hair. Then I'll be using my mousse, I mean, and I'm going to be applying it all over the hair. Guys, can you see how this hair is glistening? Like, can you see that? It's just so satisfying to me. I don't know, I couldn't stop combing it. And also the hair did not shed, like it was just a few excesses from the ones I plucked. That's the only thing that shed. It didn't shed actually because I plucked it. Yeah, so that's basically it. And then I'm going to be using this hair, I don't know the name of this. I'm just going to be using it to hold down the front so it's flat, is as flat as possible, because I want it flat when I wear the wig. Now I see how pretty this hair is. Like, I'm going to be leaving a link to this hair in case anyone is interested, because when I posted it on Snapchat and my social media, everybody liked it. So if you're interested, you can get it. So now I'm going to be using my Got2b glue and I will be gluing down this hair. And guys, I did not feel like using a wig cap. I'm just placing the hair like that on my head, using I just didn't feel like using a wig cap today. So yeah, and I'm looking too serious in this video, guys, because I was on my way somewhere. So my mind was, I need to get this video done and get to where I was going. So if I'm looking a little bit too serious, just know that's what the problem was. So I'm just gonna apply the Got2b glue on my hairline and then leaving the hair to air dry a little bit. I will then press it down with my hands, with my fingers, as you guys can see. So keep watching, guys, and you know, there's nothing more to explain here. I think everything is pretty much self-explanatory.
My mama called, seen you on TV. Your sunset shit don't change. Ever since
I'll be using my Shine and Jam edge control to lay my edges, just because I did not want to use my Got2b glue because it has this very harsh feel to it when you use it to do your edges. So I'll be using my Shine and Jam instead to make it look more natural, like it's growing out from my own hair.
yeah, we made it. Listen, seeing you got ritualistic.
I'm now going to be using my hair tie to secure my hair and my edges so it's laid flat. So I'll tie it for a bit and leave it for a few minutes because I'm in a hurry. So after a few minutes I'm going to take it out. So here I am taking down the hair, and look, ooh, see that? You see that? It's well laid and strong, you know, well secure. So I'm going to be using my water bottle containing leave-in conditioner and water, and I'm going to be spraying it all over the hair. This hair looks way better when there's moisture in it, so try as much as possible to moisturize this hair as much as you possibly can. So if I had the chance, like, I would have added some more moisture to it, but I just didn't want to be dripping water because I was heading somewhere. Oh, I'm talking too much. Now I'm going to use my mousse. Damn, I'm going to be using my mousse to apply on the hair just so it holds the curls. I'll be applying my concealer, my what's it called, LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm going to be applying it on the just where that part is, so it looks more like my skin. So guys, I didn't say this, when I dyed the hair it gave me a little bit of a red undertone because I left it more than I should have because I was using a 40 volume developer. So if you guys are doing it and you're using a 40 volume developer, please and please check it, as like wash it out as soon as possible so it doesn't give you that redness. You don't want that, I tell you. So well, it's enough for my first hair. It's not as bad. I didn't do as bad. I love the result and I love the hair. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Let me know that you liked it. Click the red button down below to subscribe to my channel. And guys, I have to apologize. I'm sorry for not posting as often as I should. I've just had a lot going on, but from now on I'll try as much as possible to post videos. Thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day.